Here's how you're going to record all your scripted long-form content without having to memorize it with just one app. Capcut just released its teleprompter feature and it's a game changer. It's super easy to use. You just click the edit icon and then write out your script or copy paste if you already have it written out somewhere else. Then if you click the settings icon, you can change the speed at which it's going to show you the script and also the font size of the actual script. You can even change the color of the text if that helps you read it better. Then you simply activate the teleprompter as you have the camera facing you and start recording your video. You can also add in visual cues that you might have to do throughout the video, like pointing to a certain direction. Once you're done, you can continue editing in app, like for example, adding the auto captions. And I personally always turn on the identify filler words so that I can easily delete any negative spaces that are in the script. You can continue editing the captions, adding stickers, and then when you're done, you can export to your camera roll or post directly to TikTok. So if you're a creator who struggles with remembering all the different scripts that you have to make for your face-to-camera videos,